I want to see how many people are worshiping with us for their first time. If you are worshiping in JCM for your first time, can you stand up so that we celebrate you? We have visitors, JCM. Tukona wageni. Can you go to the visitors and do the necessary? Go there and do the necessary. Go there. Mbarikiwe, mbarikiwe, mbarikiwe. Wageni mbarikiwe. Wageni mbarikiwe. Mbarikiwe, wageni mbarikiwe. Mbarikiwe sana. Mbarikiwe. Amen. Let us celebrate our visitors once again. I am so happy to see Madam Connie. Wow. So you are back. Eh? Do you know Mrs. Connie? You know her? Maybe you can stand in front here, they see you. Eh? With your visitor. Just hold the hand of your visitor. Maybe you can stand here, they see you. Eh? You can come over, Madam Connie. Come over. Sammy, come over with them. Amen. Just come over. Yes. Yes. Amen. I'm ready to Kanitha international. I told you this is an international church. Mrs. Connie represents us internationally. Amen. You left me as a reverend. I'm now a bishop. Hey, hi, Mrs. Connie. Wow. May God bless you. Esa amiga nira. Esa amiga nira na cia mwathani. Dikehutio ne muthuku joke hutie mundu muiro. Come over. Come over, Mrs. Connie. Come over. Can we get a microphone so that Miss Connie, Madam Connie say hi? Let me introduce you to Madam Connie. Madam Connie is the head of Partners for Care. Do you know Partners for Care? They are JCM partners. They are the ones who gives us wheelchairs and mobility devices. And she comes all the way from United States of America. Can you come over, Mrs. Connie, and say hi to these people? Amen. Give us the microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2. Microphone. Nani yako huko? Yani ni aibu gani mnanifanya mbele ya mgeni? Tupeni mic inaongea. Boni. Labda tunaita Boni na ako kwa Boaz. You can use this one.
Are you sure? I don't want to take the bishop's mic, but greetings to the church. I was here, Bishop, just a few months ago, and so much have changed. The crosses on the windows, the lights. Your church is beautiful. And truly, while the bishop likes to credit me, it is not my credit at all. So it's this man here, Sammy. Everything that we've done in Kenya has been directed by Sammy.
Check 1, 2.
And so nothing would have happened without Sammy. So that's what I love about Partners for Care. It's local leaders and local initiative, because you don't need us to come into your country to do things for you. You just need us to walk behind you and support you. And that, Bishop, to me is what's beautiful about your church, is this is a Kenyan church.
Amen.
You have created this church.
Amen. Amen.
You are not dependent on anybody in the north. And that's what I love about the church. And this time, this trip, we will be cutting the ribbon on the in-country production thanks to Mofam. Mofam, can you stand? Every cart that will be made in this country is because of that man. And that's the truth. It would have never happened without his generosity to give us.
Amen.
And Bishop, are you going to Marsabit with us?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
going.
all right. We're going to go to Marsabit and reach the unreached tribes in January 25.
Amen.
So congratulations to the church. It's such a blessing to be here. And Susan is here with me.
Come and say hi. Come and say hi.
And they have donated the 3 welding machines. So Mofam, we want to open a welding school and start teaching people how to weld and create jobs. Thank you, Bishop. Congratulations to you.
Let's invite her to say hi to the church.
I just want to say the presence of God is overwhelming in this place. Thank you so much for having me here.
Amen. Amen. No, sio araigwa kurira na samio mete otaihiga. Oka Iria do kananiaga magaithie. Samino okoragwa ari director wa Partners for Care in Kenya.
Bwana sifiwe. Thank you so much JCM Church for your support. Us as Partners for Care, we have loved working with you guys. This is our church that we have been looking for. We've worked with so many churches, but tumeanguka. So this is a place where we want to support. When we were talking about welding, Bishop, Susan works in a welding company where they do the machines.
Wow.
So we are going to support that big time. God bless you. God bless JCM.
You know, Mrs. Connie and Susan and Sammy, they are here because of our initiative, the JCM Welding Skills Center. And they have vowed to support our initiative. And they shall be here when our welders, the students who are about to complete the welding course, they shall be here in their graduation. Let us celebrate Jesus. Madam Connie, we are so happy. Remember them. They are the ones who helped us to set a school in Maimahiu for the flash flood victims. They are also the ones who helped us set that school in Marsabit, where we are going to see how they are doing. Can we celebrate this great woman? You are a great woman. Connie is a great woman. We celebrate you.
I hope we can meet while I'm here.
Yes, we have to. And I know you are also launching that place in the Mofam's go down. Exactly. We shall also be there. I shall come like this, and you'll see your bishop. Thank you so much, Connie. May God bless you. May God bless you. I'll come over, Susan, to see you, and thank you for your partnership. Tuwapigie makofi mazuri. Thank you so much. I want to do things in a hurry because I want you to go home by 1:30. Leo mnaenda nyumbani mapema. Yeah, you don't want to go to your homes. Kai. Na mofam, urahi kama idhamaki. I want to do things in a hurry today because I want you to go and have a good time. Now, do I introduce you to some of my family members who are left behind? Do you want to see my family members? Watu wale nimezaliwa kwao wasimame. Kama mimi ni wenu. Kujeni hapa muonwe. These are my family members. Wamekaa kwetu from Thursday. Na wanatuambia wanataka kwenda na sisi hatutaki. These are my family members. Na wananipenda. Na unajua Bishop Harrison alisema, if you want to know that you are called by God, the first people to accept your calling are your family members. Kujeni hapa muonwe. Kai muone haria gikorago. Sasa Jenny, paka wewe umetokea kwa watu wetu na wewe ni member wa hapa.